Foods that lower cholesterol. If your diet gave you high cholesterol, it can also lower it. It is easy to eat your way to an alarming high cholesterol level. The reverse is true. Changing what foods you eat can lower your cholesterol and improve the armada of fats floating through your bloodstream. Here in this video you will know about top 8 foods that reduce cholesterol level in your blood. Number 1. Apples, grapes, strawberries, citrus fruits. These fruits are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that lower LDL. Number 2. Oats. An easy first step to improving your cholesterol is having a bowl of oatmeal or cold oat-based cereal like Cheerios for breakfast. It gives you 1 to 2 grams of soluble fiber. Add a banana or some strawberries for another half gram. Number 3. Fiber supplements. Supplements offer the least appealing way to get soluble fiber. 2 teaspoons a day of psyllium, which is found in Metamucil and other bulk forming laxatives, provide about 4 grams of soluble fiber. Number 4. Nuts. Eating almonds, walnuts, peanuts and other nuts is good for the heart. Eating 2 ounces of nuts a day can slightly lower LDL on the order of 5%. Nuts have additionally nutrients that protect the heart in other ways. Number 5. Beans. Beans are especially rich in soluble fiber. They also take a while for the body to digest, meaning you feel full for longer after a meal. That's one reason beans are a useful food for folk trying to lose weight. Number 6. Fatty fish. Eating fish 2 or 3 times a week can lower LDL in 2 ways: by replacing meat, which has LDL boosting saturated fats, and by delivering LDL lowering omega-3 fats. Omega-3s reduce triglycerides in the bloodstream and also protect the heart by helping prevent the onset of abnormal heart rhythms. Number 7. Barley and other whole grains like oats and oat bran. Barley and other whole grains can help lower the risk of heart diseases, mainly via the soluble fiber they deliver. Number 8. Vegetable oils. Using liquid vegetable oil such as canola, sunflower, safflower and other in place of butter, lard or shortening when cooking or at the table help lower LDL. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe Top 8 for health. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.